What is going on, YouTube family? It's your boy CJ Man coming to you guys, and today we are talking about AddictBot. I know a lot of you are familiar with Addict. They have now just announced Addict 2.0, which is going to change the botting game. Addict supports over 85 high-end retailers such as Adidas, Undefeated, Kith, Supreme, Bape, and so many more retailers that drop all of your favorite Jordans, Yeezys, and other high-profile items. They're very rarely restocked, so I suggest you guys sign up at addict.io or click the link in the description so you can get the notification for when they are in stock. Copies are also very limited, and you can expect them to be even more limited with the hyped release of 2.0. Now let me run through some of the new features coming to Addict 2.0. Addict has consistently been having success for every release, and it's definitely one of the most reliable, effective iOS bots on the market. Here's a live cop of the most hyped releases this year so far. Here's also a ton of users having success on drops. I can definitely recommend this bot. Is without a doubt the most advanced iOS bot on the market. Here's some features. Hybrid mode. Addict users have been testing hybrid mode, and success has increased hugely for the releases. This feature is game changing and makes sure you never get detected as a bot when purchasing hyped items. Yeezy mode. Addict has completely rewritten the Adidas Yeezy mod to support way more features and capabilities to ensure you have even more success with Yeezys. Restock mode. Addict has just added a brand new restock mode for Supreme. Here it is live in action. This is a crazy addition to their bot, as users can pick up extra pairs, personals, Air Forces, or whatever you're after with the restock mod. This does work in the background of the app, so you don't need to be on the app itself. There are plenty more other features that you will be able to use once you have the access to the app. Addict has free updates for life, which is extremely helpful, meaning that there will never be renewal fees. Once you purchase it, you have Addict for life. There is no hidden charges or any other fees. You also have access to the Discord group once you purchase, and this group is full of information about reselling, leaks, market prices, changes, keywords for drops, and hourly alerts so you never miss a drop. Addict is extremely easy to set up, creating tasks taking less than 30 seconds. Their user-friendly interface is extremely user-friendly to people who find it difficult to navigate. They also have their own YouTube channel that does weekly setup tutorials in case you are a little confused on how to set it up. Now, the best thing about Addict is that there's no renewal fees. This means you keep Addict forever. With Addict, you'll also have the option to check out with Sizzle. This means you receive the bot immediately and pay in 4 increments of $30 for 4 months, which is really helpful and also a great way to get into reselling on the low budget. Addict is a great investment to allow you to make thousands monthly. This is a great opportunity for anyone who's looking to make good money on the side or just collect really rare sneakers and clothing. Don't forget to click the link in the description to sign up to addict.io to be notified about all of the restocks. It's your boy CJ. We out.